Good morning, guys. I apologize in advance for the highway noise. I live right next to a highway, so it's kind of hard to do this. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to remove one of these green garden posts. Okay, this isn't your usual T-post. This is the thin, real thin garden post. All right, you'll see other YouTube videos on there that use the installation tool to remove the post. But if you use that, your post is going to come all out bent like this. All right, so I'm going to show you how to get the post out of there nice and straight so you can reuse it. All you need, sorry to turn my back on you, is a nice stout pipe, a regular screwdriver, okay, and then if you see there in the foreground, yeah, that's called foreground, is I've got a floor jack, and what that is I'm using that as a fulcrum, and I can adjust the height of my fulcrum with my floor jack, so it's pretty easy. So what you do is you take this screwdriver and you stick it in real low on the post, okay, to one of the holes. I'll show you, and then I'll bring you back. Let's see if I can do this. Stick the screwdriver through one of the holes, okay? It doesn't have to be too far, but it's got to be in there pretty good. All right, now let me put you back at an angle that you can watch me. All right, I think that'll do it right there. All right, now you take your long pipe and you stick it over the edge of the screwdriver sticking out of the post, and then lay the post across your floor jack. So I'm sticking the pipe over the screwdriver, the pipe goes over the floor jack, and you just go on the other end and you just ease it down. And bingo bango, your post is out of the ground, nice and straight. Can't be any easier than that, guys. So don't use that installation tool. Just use a pipe and a screwdriver, and you'll get that post right out. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, ding the bell. Thanks for watching.